If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here. Thank you so much for checking me out here on YouTube. It's an honor to have you all watching my channel week in and week out. I really appreciate all the support. This video will show you how to craft a strong dental school application to grab the attention of all of those admissions committees out there and maximize your chances of getting into your dream school. Let's start with your academic performance, the foundation of any strong application. Admissions committees look closely at your GPA, especially in science classes. And although most of these are prerequisite courses anyway, make sure you're taking some challenging classes like biochemistry and anatomy to show that you're capable of handling the rigorous dental school curriculum. But beyond just grades, consistency and improvement matter. So if your GPA shows upward trends, highlight that in your personal statement to demonstrate your growth and improvement. If you're an international dentist, your dental school GPA will be most important here. And if your GPA is low, there are other aspects of your application that can make up for it. There are also opportunities to improve your GPA after graduation, which can be a bit challenging, but not impossible. Post-baccalaureate programs, master's programs, retaking science classes, community college courses, online courses. We could talk much more about these in detail in a future video if you're interested. Next up is dental-related experience, shadowing, volunteering, and work. And this is where you prove that you're committed to dentistry. Shadowing dentists, working in a dental office as an assistant or a hygienist if you're licensed, or volunteering at free clinics will all help you better understand the field. And this next point is huge. Quality matters much more than quantity. I'm much more impressed by someone who's been to a few offices and invested a lot of time there, rather than someone who's bounced around to 20 different offices and spent just a few hours at each of them. Make sure you reflect on what you learned, not just the hours that you logged. In your application, use specific examples to show how these experiences inspired your passion. Dental schools want well-rounded candidates. Yes, they want people who will eventually be competent clinicians, but they also just want good people. Your involvement in clubs, organizations, sports, and other extracurricular activities can speak volumes and help build your story. Focus on leadership roles specifically that show responsibility and commitment. Whether it's being the president of your pre-dental club or leading a community project, highlight how those experiences helped you develop important skills like communication and teamwork. These are key traits of a future dentist. Strong letters of recommendation can really help set you apart. Choose people who know you well and can speak to both your academic abilities and your personal character. Your best bet is to ask professors, employers, or dentists who you've worked with. Give them enough time and share your resume and your personal statement with them so they can tailor their letters to complement your overall application. For international dentists specifically, a minimum of 3 letters are required, preferably one from the dean of your dental school, one from a dental faculty, and one from a professional supervisor or dentist who you've worked with in the US. Your personal statement is your chance to make your application unique. It's entirely open-ended and allows you to tell your story. Here, you should explain why you want to become a dentist and what motivates you. Avoid those cliches and generalities and instead focus on personal stories or experiences that have shaped your decision. Make sure your essay flows well, it's free of grammar issues, and gets reviewed by several people before you submit it, including me. I do personal statement reviews. You can sign up for that directly on my website, and I review your personal statement in detail. A compelling personal statement can leave a lasting impression on the admissions committee. Finally, let's talk about standardized tests. For pre-dental students in the US, this is going to be the DAT. And for international dentists, this is the INBDE, which is pass-fail, the TOEFL, and potentially the ADAT. For all these exams, your score or your pass is critical, so don't underestimate the prep. Give yourself several months to study. These standardized tests are not just about rote memorization. They test your ability to think critically and perform under pressure. A high DAT or ADAT score, for example, can offset a slightly lower GPA, so definitely make it a priority. And use high-quality resources like the brand new Mental Dental Academy that will be releasing very soon. And remember, it's never too early to start working on your application. If you didn't get any interview invites this cycle, or you're planning to apply next application cycle, start compiling information now. Find mentors, get involved in publishable research. Make yourself the strongest applicant you can be, and give yourself the best chance to stand out and succeed. Be strategic, be authentic, and put your best self forward. Good luck, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any new content from me. Keep working hard, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.